Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna show you guys a really quick feature on the 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige that is gonna blow your mind and save you some range. Let's get right to it. So let's get into the car. Right off the bat, man, these displays, they look good. Okay, but I need to show you guys the feature. So let's go to the screen and let's press on vehicle data. And right here is the range monitor. This is so cool. So basically you might be asking, Addison, how do I save energy on my Audi? Well, let me tell you. This quick little feature actually saves you a ton of range, about 16 miles, which could be enough to get you to a charging station. So what do? Well, let me tell you. Let's go to this little information thing. It says range mode helps you maximize the current remaining range by using a speed limiter, which you can override briefly using the kickdown function. Convenience functions such as climate control will also be limited considerably. That was a tongue twister, let me tell you. So basically what you just need to do is you press range mode and boom, the AC turns off a little bit and you have 194 miles, which before you had 177 miles. So that is actually pretty cool. And the thing is yes, it does kind of limit the amount of AC that you get and some of the functions that are on this vehicle. But let's just say you were like that close to getting to that charging station, that close, and you need like 10 more miles. Well, guess what? You're gonna get there because of this bad boy. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tiny tutorial. It is awesome. I love this feature and definitely have more coming your way. I'll see you guys in the next video.